Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30G, the water pump seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30G, the water pump seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So file new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go right plane sketch. Want 2 circles. 1, 2. The outside one will be dimension of 25. Inside one be dimension of 19. Gonna be extrude of 8. Doesn't matter whether it's mid-plane. Bring that closer. Thank you. And let's go into textures. We want what's rubber be under? That's metal, so not that one. Rubber. Rubber on rubber, that makes sense. Matte. Still matte. And that's that part done. That's part 6-30G, water pump seal done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Have you enjoyed the episode? Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I will see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.